This is just a quick video to remind you exactly what you need to do for your grade 1 or 2 snare drum exam. Now there's 7 parts to the exam. Grade 1 rudimental study. Most of you are doing Austrian dance, which is a piece with the piano. And then also stepping out, which is also with the piano. You then go across the page to our orchestral figures. Now these are a bit trickier. Remember, you either play the top line of sticking or the bottom. You don't play both. The examiner will ask either to start with your right hand, which is the top lines, or your left hand, which is the bottom lines. Remember to watch the dynamics, so forte for loud, piano for soft, mezzo forte for medium loud. They've also got these little triangles in brackets, which are accents, if you remember. Now accents mean this note needs to be louder than the others. Now the accents are in brackets, so the examiner might not ask for them, but if they do, you need to try and play them. Okay. Also remember you've got repeats here, so watch where the little dots are, because that's telling you which bit to repeat. So on this one, you play the first bit, then you play it again, then you finish. On this one, you play the whole thing, then you repeat. So watch for the dots. The very last thing to do is the multiple bounce roll study. Now remember, I've said to most of you, don't try too hard on getting the buzz sounds so much that you then stop the piece from flowing. What we want to do is we want the piece to flow nicely. So to start with, just play them as normal semiquavers, huckleberries. Okay, and then if you can, start adding the extra bits, start adding the buzzes. But don't worry so much that the buzzes put you off. Remember these short rests are called quaver rests. They're for half a beat. So a good thing to do is to say rest here and to say and when you play the drum. So this one might be Huckleberry, Archie, Tom, rest and. Or 1 E and a 2 and 3, rest and. So the rests are quiet, the ands you play. Again, if you watch for your dynamics throughout. Now these are both worth 7 marks. Your other pieces are worth the majority of your marks. Now the other 2 things you have to do are listening and sight reading. And some of you might be doing improvisation, but you only do 2 of those 3 things. So most of you will do listening and sight reading. And I'll talk about those in another video. Okay.